Hi, I'm Wayne Pearce and I've been studying the science of teamwork for over 30 years. And for the past 20 years, I've been helping businesses right across Australia and Southeast Asia become their best. In a complex and rapidly changing business landscape where employees are becoming more specialised in their areas of expertise, quality teamwork is a key enabler of business success. Human beings are intrinsically wired to work together to achieve desired outcomes. We see it at home, in the office, on the sporting field, in community endeavours, and even in politics. Well, sometimes in politics. In fact, collaboration is all around us. But unfortunately, there's a big difference between collaborative effort, where people work together, and great teamwork that produces outstanding outcomes. Although we see rare examples where awesome teamwork sticks in your memory, like the teamwork on display in the amazing Thai K rescue that captivated the world's attention back in 2018, or you two up on stage playing to a packed stadium of wildly cheering fans, such examples are few and far between. By contrast, most of the teamwork we see in the business world is far less impressive. And have you ever wondered why? Unlike the elite professional sports world and the armed forces, where optimizing teamwork is a clear focus for coaches and leaders, in the business world, there is lots of talk about the importance of teamwork, but with many competing priorities, few leaders commit the energy and resources to backing up their talk with effective action. For example, a typical professional sports team trains 4 days a week. There are 2 rest days and 1 game day. By comparison, in the business world, there's 5 game days, 2 rest days, and 0 practice days. The great news for business leaders is that you don't need to allocate dedicated days every week to practicing teamwork, provided you embed the teamwork practices into your business as usual.